What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a car tour of my mama's 2013 Nissan. So let's get started. So here's the full view of it. Then obviously it's red and it's a 2013 Nissan. And then starting in the door, this is the driver's side door. You have your lock button, window button, like you have your unlock, lock button, and then I'm not sure what that button's for, but it's something. And then window down, window up button. Then you have a button, or not a button, what am I saying? A thing for your trash or whatever. And then on the windshield, steering wheel, you have a bunch of buttons for like the radio and stuff. Phone button, because you can actually call people from the car without having to use your phone. Then you have your gear shift and all that stuff. Then you have cup holders. And then I'll go around and show you that. Then you have heated seats, which I love. I love heated seats. So let's look at the the back seat. So, same thing here. You have the, except for the other buttons up front, you have the, window up and window down button. And then you have like this thing to pull the door, like so you can shut it. Then you have a trash compartment. And then this is the full view of the seat. You can fit maybe 3 people in the back seat. And my mom's library books are in here because she's going to the library. Because she has to take my brother to get his hair done and to, you know, do a few things. Get knee socks for his first game Monday for soccer. And then we have pouches, or whatever you call these, in each seat back here. And you can put like books back here or whatever. I need the trunk open. Anyway, I can't get the trunk open, but anyway, you get the gist. I'll show you on the other side. Hold on. You get the gist of what a car looks like, but anyway. Has the same stuff back here, a thing to pull the door to, and then window up, down button, trash compartment, pocket in the seat, and then the trunk is back there. You can't see it because of the thing right there, but the trunk is back there. So and then same thing on this passenger side is you know, the window lock button, window down button, you know, and then on the thing we got the heated seat for this side, for the passenger side, and then we got the heated seat for the driver's side. And then those two buttons, I don't know what they do, but yeah. But here's another full view of the car, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had to film it again because I didn't like the first time. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I will CYO TFS. Catch you on the flip side. Bye!